What if I told you, right now, somewhere out there, another Earth is waiting, not just a rock, but a world with liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and maybe, just maybe, life? For centuries, this was science fiction. Today, it's one of humanity's most thrilling scientific quests. We dream of wandering through alien landscapes, encountering strange new life forms, and perhaps even finding kindred spirits on distant planets. But why do we yearn for these far-flung worlds? Okay, let's face it, Earth can be a bit of a handful sometimes. But hey, it's also home to some seriously tough cookies, the kind that make you wonder if they have a secret stash of kryptonite hidden somewhere. Let's take deep-sea hydrothermal vents. For example, they're like underwater volcanoes that spew superheated, toxic water, and yet entire ecosystems flourish around them. Reaching these worlds is the ultimate road trip, measured in light years, not miles. So, why are we so obsessed with finding Earth 2.0? Is it just because we're a bunch of space-obsessed geeks? Well, not exactly. Sure, we love the thrill of the chase and the promise of what we might discover out there. But there's something deeper at play here. Something that goes beyond our insatiable curiosity. Even Proxima Centauri b would take tens of thousands of years with current technology. Now here's the cosmic twist you didn't see coming. What if the real Earth 2.0 has been here all along? What if the greatest discovery isn't a new planet, but a renewed appreciation for our own? Yeah, we're taking you on a mind-bending journey that'll leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about home. The search for Earth 2.0 is ultimately a search for ourselves, a reflection of our own existence in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Earth, with its awe-inspiring landscapes, intricate ecosystems, and the miracle of life itself. We share this planet with creatures that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, like the bioluminescent fungi that illuminate the forest floor or the bizarre otherworldly landscapes of the deep sea. And let's not forget about the sheer scale and grandeur of Earth itself. When viewed from space, our planet is a tiny oasis of life in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Its swirling clouds, majestic mountains, and sparkling oceans are a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Have we become so focused on finding another world that we've forgotten to appreciate the one we're on? Our planet is teeming with people, cultures, and civilizations, each with their own unique story to tell. May we never stop exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, but always remember to appreciate the extraordinary world we call home. We've built magnificent cities, created works of art that inspired AW, and explored the farthest reaches of the universe. In short, Earth is our home, our only home, and yet we take it for granted every day. We forget that it's a precious jewel in the vast expanse of space. When we gaze up at the stars and wonder if there are other worlds out there like our own, we're really asking a deeper question. What does it mean to be alive? What makes our existence unique in the vast expanse of the universe? So if you're planning on retiring to Alpha Centauri, you'll need to pack your patience along with your toothbrush. We learned that the conditions that led to our existence are not unique or accidental, but rather part of a grander design that extends far beyond our own little blue marble. And in that realization, we find a sense of belonging, a connection to something larger than ourselves. Getting there will be quite the adventure, requiring us to develop entirely new propulsion systems, shielding against cosmic radiation and building self-sustaining habitats for generations along the way. But hey, who needs a smooth ride when you've got a front-row seat to the wonders of the universe? How crazy is that? Bacteria living in conditions that would make your average earthling break out in hives. And then there's the bacteria, miles beneath the Earth's surface, totally cut off from sunlight. Yet they're alive and kicking, finding ways to survive in the most inhospitable places imaginable. Even the tiny, indestructible tardigrade can survive the vacuum of space. Talk about a real-life superhero. But the search for Earth 2.0 reminds us that we're part of something bigger, that our story is written in the stars themselves. So while we may never find another Earth exactly like our own, the journey to find it will forever change the way we see ourselves and our place in the universe. These extreme Earthlings give us hope that life can find a way to survive in conditions we never thought possible. Is it just the lure of the unknown, or is there something more at stake in our quest to find Earth 2.0? Maybe there are creatures thriving in environments that seem totally inhospitable to us. The possibilities are really endless, which is why we're so fascinated by the idea of Earth 2.0. Who knows what kind of amazing life forms we might find out there? Join us as we delve into the heart of this cosmic quest. Now let's meet the leading contenders in the Earth 2.0 sweepstakes. Of course, it's still a bit of a fixer-upper. It's tidally locked, meaning one side is always day and the other is always night. Not exactly ideal for life as we know it, but who knows? Maybe there are creatures out there that have adapted to living in perpetual darkness or scorching heat. It's like trying to buy a house in the desert. You gotta be willing to put in a little work to make it livable. But for the adventurous types, it could be worth it. Just imagine owning a piece of property on a planet so close to home. First up, we have the TRAPPIST-1 system. This is like the VIP section of our cosmic lottery ticket, just 40 light-years away. It's got 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a red dwarf star, and at least 3 of them are nestled perfectly in their star's habitable zone, the Goldilocks zone. That means they could have liquid water and maybe even life. It's like hitting the jackpot. Imagine hopping from one potentially life-supporting world to another. Each one could have its own unique landscape and surprises in store for us. But let's keep our fingers crossed that the local life forms are friendly. Uncovering the compelling reasons behind our relentless pursuit of extraterrestrial habitats and exploring the profound implications such a discovery would have on our understanding of life, our place in the cosmos, and the very meaning of home. The cosmic lottery? Imagine a cosmic lottery ticket, and we just hit the jackpot. Our Milky Way galaxy alone has hundreds of billions of stars, and for every star, there's at least one planet. It's also about expanding our cosmic horizons. We're an adventurous bunch, humans. Just think about it. Our ancestors were nomads who roamed the earth in search of better hunting grounds and safer havens. Then they set sail across the oceans and trekked across continents to build new lives in distant lands. The urge to explore and conquer new frontiers is in our DNA. And now we're setting our sights on the stars. Who knows what wonders we'll find on other worlds? Maybe there are breathtaking landscapes, exotic creatures, and even intelligent life waiting to be discovered. Finding Earth 2.0 could be the adventure of a lifetime. That means trillions of planets, and among them, a staggering number could be just right. Not too hot, not too cold. For life as we know it, we call this the Goldilocks zone. But why are we so obsessed with finding Earth 2.0? Is it just because we're a bunch of space-obsessed geeks? Of course not. There's a lot more to this story. First, let's talk about the obvious. We're all about that survival of humanity. As much as we love this pale blue dot, it's not exactly a peach. From supervolcanoes to asteroid impacts, Earth has its share of issues. We don't want to put all our eggs in one basket, do we? If there's a massive solar flare or an asteroid heading our way, it'd be pretty handy to have an escape route ready to go. Earth 2.0 could be our cosmic insurance policy, a backup plan for when things get rough here at home. But it's not just about escaping danger. Life in the extreme. If life here can be so tenacious and adaptable, imagine what could be out there on other planets. Meet the contenders. Then there's Proxima Centauri b, our closest exoplanet neighbor. It's only 4 light years away, practically next door in cosmic terms. Now, before you start packing your bags for your new home on Alpha Centauri, let's talk logistics. A mirror to ourselves. You see, in a universe full of wonders, we often forget the one thing we should appreciate the most, the one thing that makes our existence truly special. By exploring the possibilities of life on other planets, we gain a deeper understanding of our own place in the cosmic order. It's easy to feel like we're alone in this world, lost in the vastness of space and time. And who knows, maybe along the way, we'll discover that the greatest adventure of all is the one we're already on. Surprising takeaway. Think about it. While we're scouring the cosmos for Earth's twin, we might be overlooking the extraordinary, delicate, and utterly unique world we already inhabit. Consider the astonishing diversity of life on our planet. From the tiniest microorganism to the largest whale, each species is a testament to the power and beauty of evolution. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about Earth is the life it sustains. So here's to Earth, the one and only, the original and irreplaceable.